I have trouble with the flywheel key shearing on a Kohler motor on a lawn mower. It will do this without hitting anything. It has happened 3 times in the last 3 or 4 years. It acts like it isn't timed right. Is this possible?
Hello, and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. I'll be helping you today and am committed to providing clear and concise answers to your question. Can you please tell me the model, spec, and serial number off the model plate on the engine? I'd like to know exactly which unit we're troubleshooting, please. They've made a lot of variations. There will be a model plate usually on the blower housing of the engine similar to the picture below. There are 3 numbers we need: model, spec, serial number. The other numbers are not needed. Thank you.
Model SV590S spec SV590-006 serial no XXXXXXXXXXXXXP.
Thank you. Timing could be an issue, but you would generally see running performance issues if that were the case. However, to verify, please ensure the coil-to-flywheel air gap is 0.008 inches to 0.012 inches. This gap and the flywheel key are what determine timing unless there is internal engine damage, which is not likely considering your description of the problem. The most common scenario is a flywheel bolt that's not sufficiently torqued. Are you using a torque wrench to make sure it's to the correct spec? If not, I would recommend that as the first step after ensuring the flywheel air gap to the coil. Depending on the size of the bolt, TH spec is fan/flywheel retaining screw torque M12. 65 feet. Pound, flywheel retaining screw torque M10. 49 feet. Pound, also, is the washer in place as shown? Any chance of a missing item? Another concern is if the flywheel bolt is used several times, it will suffer from thread stretch, so it may not be keeping the torque setting. It may be useful to set the torque properly and then if the key does happen to shear again to compare the torque setting before removing the bolt. Hope this helps. If you need more information, please stop and reply to me via the Reply to Expert link in the lower right corner of the ratings box with any issue or remaining question you may have. My reputation as an excellent expert is critical, and I will be happy to continue further and do everything I can to provide you with the best service possible. Your highest rating is my primary goal because that means I've given you the top quality service you deserve. Thank you so much.
In the picture you posted, it looks like there are 2 keys. Is this correct? Mine only had 1 half-moon key. It was worked on before at a repair shop, so I don't know what was there to start with.
It will use one or the other. Your spec calls for a straight key, however. So with that bit of info, I'm betting that's the source of the problem. Your specification uses a straight key, 2,534,002S 25340-02S key, straight flywheel use 25340-04S 25340-04S. I've linked the current part number above to a picture so you can see what it looks like. The Woodruff key is used on a different style crankshaft slot.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.